Ka jingi lekai football paralog ia kepala penlong dak office jong deputy commissioner Karibohoi district. Ha ka jingi trelang bat office jong deputy commissioner Karibohoi district. Bat kum juru ha ka jingi trelang bat Karibohoi media. Menta kesengi kelalong ke basyong syit bha. Ha kebalawan ban yashim benta dagi hek pulit jong Karibohoi. Kiba kentup nadu Shri Giri Prasad ubadi superintendent of police Karibohoi district. Rengkat bat kiwi pat ki police officer. Nang ta ki officer nak office jong deputy commissioner kiba kentup nadu ba MB Tongper ubadi additional deputy commissioner ke district bat kiwi deki officer. Nang ta ki nong thok kubor na tem Karibohoi kiba kentup nadu ki printed media bat kum juru ki electronic media kabalalong hapo ke jingilam jong ba Cornelius lalu ubadi nong thok kubor ubalarang ba hatem Karibohoi. Ha kene ke jingi lekai ka kenhun ki nonglum kubor kalayo ay kanam jingjob hadin bagane ka kenhun kala penrem no ya kenhun jong ki pulit ha ka tai brikar badra ka kusnam nongjob ka bala longru da jing tebit jong orang upcall ka kenhun ki nong thok kubor ubadi nong thok kubor bat nonglum kubor jong T7 news usamla Albinus Karbikeu
is the last score which remember, so the tiebreaker was won by the media. Round of applause for the media. That is the lasting result which we remember. So this trophy is being awarded to the media.
Same time, we also have the media from Karibohoi district. We are very happy to have such kind of friendly match between the police office of the DC along with us the media. And as you have heard, that the message of this friendly match is to eradicate drugs. So I would like to request all you guys here, the local resident and the people of Karibohoi district to come together. Let us fight to make our district drugs free in the state and India as a whole. So with these few words, thank you very much.
Hooray! Office of DC team, have it! Hooray! Karibohoi media, have it! Hooray! Have it! Hooray!
Thank you all. Subhang ini simlang yang ini ka pledge. Yang ini ka football match la organize da ka office jong SP sa ne ban bagni ban na police office ka jing organizing ni football match kolong ba ni persa ban yang ini ka jing di drugs pathar kampam ka bajaya ki kena jungi menta di nga serpat api baro bagi simlang ini ka pledge ngan yat ngan silan sa second say boot pi ya ka sa boot jing ngak ong ma. Today we are united to take a pledge under the Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan to make not only our community, family, friends, but ourselves drug free, because change starts. All efforts in my capability to make India drug free. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Lawan ban pensyong syet ru da kejeng ruai jong ba Anthony Kriam nang ta da kejeng wan poi ru jong ginong tre na gitegi art legi office sarkar ban kersian ye ginong ilekai jong ki. Lapan long ye kene kejeng ilekai football parlong da kejeng temu ban penlung penlang ye kipai ba bat ban yo ru ban ilap ban penbena ye kejeng sniu jong drugs bat kumju ru ban persya ye kejeng syong kha kena.
Long ball. Layo. Long ball. Good.
Ini pis lah.
Mas ni sana mudi boy cina game. Ini game mas ni ya kan.
Anjir sih.